actually definitely recommend ezyVet. There are lots of options out there, but I think the connection for me between IDEXX and ezyVet is actually really what secured it for me.
We would make confirmation calls on a daily basis, and we spent easily 40+ hours a week just making confirmation calls for appointments, and that has since gone away.
So we did a big deep dive on ezyVet just to make sure, just because we had been burned, but yeah, it was amazing. Yeah. No one had anything negative to say. In fact, everyone loved it and felt that it made their practice better and more efficient.
Every time we call, somebody's there for us. They always call us back. They figure out the problems for us when we're there on the spot. And that's something that you can't buy, that kind of service. That's something that they do because you could tell that they are a homegrown company and they've cared for it from the start.
IDEXX and Mary in particular give us such incredible support. We couldn't imagine anything better than having a new software program with an old friend.
Just saving time using the app and using VetRadar and using ezyVet has definitely helped my staff with burnout in a sense, because you're able to confirm that you've done something, or you're not up at night thinking, oh my God, did I give that treatment? Did I do this? Did I do that?
You know, Avmark looks simple, but ezyVet is so much better for your clinic and for the pet that I know it might look daunting, but I could not see myself using any other software.
I think this is the perfect software system to go with. I think that the software systems that you use, it is the centerpiece to your practice. It is the most important piece of equipment that you are going to need. And so I think you need to pick it very wisely. And I think we chose very wisely when we chose ezyVet.